Today we'll see how to add a shake effect to a video clip. Now go to the project panel and right click, add a new item, adjustment layer. Drag the adjustment layer on top of the video clip. Now once you have the adjustment layer, go to FX and search for directional blur. Drag the directional blur effect on top of the adjustment layer. Now go to FX control, adjust the blur length to 30. Now go to the beginning of the adjustment layer and use the razor tool to cut the adjustment layer at every frame. Now remove the alternate sections of the adjustment layer. Select the alternate sections of the adjustment layer, make a copy and place it somewhere on the clip. And it's done. Now you can see a shake effect on your video clip. You can also place the sections based on your requirement. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.